IT stocks just had their best month in 6 years, up almost 19%. But before you rush to buy, here's a real question. Is this a trend or just a bounce? Hey everyone, welcome back to Converse Capital. Now just look at this gap. Nifty IT was up by 16% in July. In the same period, the Philadelphia Semiconductor Index, that is a global chip index, was down 21%. So that's a complete leadership flip. Globally, everyone was piling into AI chip stocks. That trade got crowded and money started rotating out into IT services stocks like TCS, Infosys, etc. Now, since they don't build the chips, they just use AI to serve clients. Safer bet, cheaper price. But here's the part that makes it different from the random bounce. IT stocks were trading dirt cheap before this at 18 times earnings, way below their usual 27 times. So this was one of the cheapest sectors in the market. And the earnings backed it up. TCS AI business alone is now doing around $2.6 billion a year. HCLTech's AI revenue jumped 62% Y on Y. So these aren't just cheap stocks bouncing. They are companies who are making actual money out of AI and not losing to it. And here's something most people missed. While everyone was dumping IT stocks earlier this year, the sector had its worst 6 months in 18 years. But India's biggest mutual fund, Parag Parikh, was quietly buying. They bought when it was heated. A few months later, sector was up 19%. So that's the whole game. The best entries usually happen when nobody wants a stock, not when everyone wants. Now look at the chart. Nifty IT just broke above its June high. But this same zone, that is around 31,800 to 32,000, is also the old resistance on the bigger picture. So if you're already holding IT, don't add more right here. Wait for it to close clearly above the zone. If you're not in yet, don't chase this candle. Wait for a dip back towards the support, and that's your entry. One thing to actually track. The real test isn't the July rally. It's whether IT companies show strong new deal wins in the September quarter. If they do, this becomes a real trend. If they don't, this was just a bounce of the beaten down price, and it can fade just as fast as it came. So follow Converse Capital for reads that help you decide, not just react.